Myself, Manish Ravke. I am proprietor of Manish Engineering Works. We are basically in manufacturing of precise auto components. We are established in 2000. Total, we are having 28 turning centers in both units. Out of that, 24 are ACE. Another nice thing with ACE, we feel they give some solution for TPM Track is one best solution they provide us, so that we can actually cater real-time data manufacturing to increase our capabilities in OE, increasing OE as well as rejection in data. That tool is helping us very nicely, and we are using this for both units. Service people, they are regularly in touch with us, so that 14 years back our machine is working nicely now also with accuracy of 20 microns. So that repo is because only service people are properly maintaining the machines and guiding our maintenance as well as operator to keep the machine okay conditions. So 98% we are using only ACE machines, and we are very happy with their performance and repeatability, which gives us confidence of commitment to our customer, repeatability in quality as well as delivery adherence. We are 100%, and that's why consecutive to last 2-3 years we are getting excellence award for quality from our major customers.